My child, I offer you my unwavering love. You simply need to place your trust in me. I know some have lost hope along the way, burdened by disappointments that prevent them from taking risks again, living life without joy. Others seek hope in worldly solutions like medical treatments, financial markets, or even the lottery. But I invite you to place all your hope in me. Regardless of the challenge you currently face, your story is destined for a glorious and joyful end. Although the path may seem dark, eternal light awaits you at the conclusion of your earthly journey. Thanks to the work I have already accomplished on the cross, true hope is yours, and it is secure. Embracing this certainty can fill your current path with overflowing joy. The more you place your hope in me, the more my light of love will shine upon you, illuminating your days. I, the creator of the universe, am with you and on your side. What more could you possibly need? If you feel an emptiness within, it is because you have not connected with me deeply enough. I offer you an abundant life. I only ask that you trust me fully and cast your worries from your mind. That is not the difficulties themselves that cause anxiety, but your thoughts about them. Your mind becomes entangled in a constant struggle to control the situation and force the outcome you desire. In this attempt, you lose sight of the fact that I am the one guiding your life. The solution lies in shifting your focus. Stop looking at the problem and direct your gaze to my constant presence. Cease striving so intensely and behold the wonders I have prepared for you. Remember, I am always by your side, and I am the very essence of hope. Even when you feel weakest, my strength is made perfect in your vulnerability. Allow my peace to quiet the storms within your heart, knowing that I am constantly working all things for your good. Rest in the assurance of my unfailing love, for I am your refuge and your strength, an ever-present help in times of trouble. If you believe this, please type Amen.